can face the reality. Transformation takes time. The dream of 1857 was fulfilled in 1947. I support each and every Indian who aspires for the betterment of our nation. A very pleasant morning to our honorable chief guest, revered principal ma'am, respected vice principal ma'am, honorable teachers and my dear schoolmates. Today is 26th January, our Republic Day, a day filled with patriotism, great affection and respect towards our motherland India. This feeling awakens in every Indian's mind. So first of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Republic is something that is connected to people. It is a system in which a country belongs to people. The government belongs to people. And the democracy is the greatest means for restoring this kind of system. And I proudly share with you that India's democracy is the largest democracy in the world. But by only saying, can a country become republic? Of course not. It requires a constitution which is made by many elected representatives. A constitution is the basis of representative determiners that determines the distribution and the use of supreme power. The Constitution of India was passed by the Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949, and that is why 26th November is celebrated as National Constitution Day. But on that day our Constitution was just passed, not implemented. But on historic date 26th January 1950, our Constitution came into effect. India, a country blessed with so many great personalities like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rabindranath Tagore, Queen of Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, Indira Gandhi, Swami Vivekanand and many more. Swami Vivekanand has shown an excellent exalted path, but it is so strange to see on what path our today's generation is working or heading on. Once Dr. Kalam was asked, what are the weaknesses and the strength of India? Do you know what he answered? He answered, youth. Yes, the 261 million youth generation of people is the strength of India, and the weakness of vision, because a nation dies without a vision. And I think the vision is the only quality which is lacking in our today's youth generation. So what can we do? The only thing the youth generation of India can do today is to work upon all the commendable qualities which are already within us. Today, India has the most prestigious position on world map, and it is the duty of our youth generation to maintain it, to take it to greater heights. Now the question arises, how can we do that? Yes, right. We can do it by working on those qualities, by understanding our responsibilities, and the day we realize our responsibilities, the day we start working, the day we start to gain more and more respect for our nation, and that day our nation will see a change. Now I pay my respect to all the freedom fighters who fought for India's independence, and I also pay my tributes to all the soldiers who are still continuing on the border to make this freedom as a going on. Now I also end my words with a quote that is, जड़ तंत्र का मान है गणतंत्र, जड़ तंत्र का मान है गणतंत्र, हमारे संविधान का शान है गणतंत्र। हजारों और करोड़ों भारतीयों के लिए जो लिखा गया था, उन वीर सपूतों की मेहनत का परिणाम है गणतंत्र, मेहनत का परिणाम है गणतंत्र। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।
इश्क का जज्बा दिल में अंदर, इश्क का जज्बा क्या जलवा, क्या पर्दा जलवा, तेरा जलवा जलवा, ओ तेरा जलवा जलवा, जलवा तेरा जलवा जलवा, ओ तेरा जलवा जलवा। चूम कर सब कहो झूम कर, ऐ वतन जान जा जान मन, ये समा ये बहार दिल फिदा जानिसा। ऐ वतन जान जा जान मन, ये समा ये बहार दिल फिदा जान निसार जलवा तेरा जलवा तौबा मेरी तौबा मेरी निगाहें करती है मेरी निगाहें करती है तेरे कदमों पे सजदा जलवा तेरा जलवा जलवा वो तेरा जलवा 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 तेरा जलवा जलवा वो तेरा जलवा